Welcome to the Goons! Okay, we're at Pine Knob today. We're going up the hill. All right, it's going to be fun. Brennan, what are we expecting today out of you?
I don't know. Some jumps maybe. We'll see what happens though.
We barbecuing in the parking lot. We got the rig. We're going to slice up some burgers, some steaks. Barbecuing in the parking lot. But right now we're going to go hit some jumps. Ski season! What happened there?
I tried stopping.
What about you? Why me? Why me? I didn't do anything. You had that much air. You can't be talking crap when you have this much air. Have you that much? Yeah. Hey, don't be throwing snowballs now. We'll cut your tags. They'll cut your tag, remember? Not the tag. What is that?
Scary.
Look at all those park rats. Barbecue burning. What we got here? We got on the grill.
We got the barbecue grill with the brats.
In the Pine Knob parking lot.
That's hilarious.
What we got over here, Chef Brennan?
I don't know, those are your steaks.
We got steak. We out here. We got Chef Brennan. We got Nathan. We got steaks. We got brats on the grill. I'm not gonna bite. All right, so here we got some tongs. Gotta click them together. Now we got some gourmet $10. They were $10.
Gourmet $10.
Gourmet $10 steak. So we seasoned the one side. Now we gotta flip that over. Flip them over. And we don't want to touch them. We in the parking lot, you know.
We got nowhere to wash our hands.
Yeah, we ain't got no hand washing station. So we do have to go inside. We go inside. Oh,
We got no way to go.
we got nowhere to go. So
We got nature's hand washing.
yeah, we
station.
got
the snow.
nature napkins.
Nature napkins for real. And then we got nature's sink, the snow.
Nature sink and nature napkins. We get our seasoning. Every time you point, hit a click. That's what you gotta do.
It's like the only way to.
You kind of gotta boost on. Whoa.
Oh.
Easy. Just kind of feel it out. You know, like a bad girlfriend. You gotta comfort it, and you gotta just tell her, you know, she's bad. She's not good.
You're a bad girl.
Bad girl. Right there. And then you start beating your meat right there, just like that. When you're done beating your meat, flip it over again. Beat the other side of your
Adam, grill's getting a little hot.
Oh, we gotta check that. We check on these. Oh yeah, these are a little hot. So we going over here. We flip these boys. We got brats on the grill. Chef Brennan was over here checking it up.
Then I took over the camera.
Yeah, he's cameraman right now, so I was unaware of the temperatures.
I like them a little overcooked anyway.
Yeah, no, you want your brats nice and crispy. Brats, crispy. Coming back over here with the route. This is not cross-contamination. This is just immune system buildup. Okay? So we quick beat your meat again. Yeah, flip these over again. One more time.
I think it's a little both. A little cross-contamination, a little immune
No,
system
no,
buildup.
immune system built. Okay? We gotta build strong men for the community. Okay?
For real. You gotta eat your raw meat.
Yeah. If you don't eat your meat, here. Let me cook these real quick.
Put
You don't
them
do
in.
it raw, you ain't doing it
All
raw.
right, they're cooked.
Put them on the grill. Come on, let's go.
All right, put them-
Quit wasting time.
Okay. You want them on top or bottom? Damn, buddy. How's your steak? Good. See, I'm smart. Mine drips. It drips in the cup. You, all over your hands.
Hands.
You got steak or a skewer, I got steak in a cup. We're balling on a budget there, bud. $10 steak, $10 kit for a skewer, $2 cups. That's good. Trust me. Very good. We ain't paying no $5 for a hot dog. We can spend $10 on a steak. You already got the barbecue. We're set. We're set. People look at us like we're crazy. We're not crazy. We're just financially smart. Yep. We forgot our utensils at home, but the skewer works pretty good. And you know what you do in your raw steak when you're done? What do you do? Give it to the old square up there in the street. Don't be throwing the steak. That could have been good. That was fat. Ain't that raw? I would have finished that. You can cook it longer.
I'm not making it.
I'm not making it either.
I didn't take a minute to realize where you.
Oh, not me! Oh, hi.
Huh?
I ain't skating no more. Alright, this doofus forgot to bring his ski up with him. What happened?
I didn't forget. She slowed the damn lift down and it got caught.
Can you run the slalom?
I'm gonna run the Salem. I'll pull it like a water skiing, right? Just like that, the old Salem ski. Alright, so we've been out here like all day. They're getting ready to close. It's dark, obviously, but we haven't heard a lot of talking today. So we're gonna hit the park. Now I'm on my snowboard. So yeah, earlier I was on skis. So I was skiing all day in the morning, and now we're gonna snowboard the rest of the night.
We're a little bit worn out. We've been out here all day.
All day, buddy. Barbecue in the parking lot. Now we gonna hit the park. If I don't see you,
Just get it on. That hurt a lot. Oh. We're gonna try it again.